isisebenzi wayesemoyeni ivoice yahamba esemoyeni kwathi ke ngomsombuluko wakhona samthatha sammikisa esibhedlela sawenza ukuchecka ukuthi kwenze njani kahle ngoba initial makucala bonke abantu bezwa ukuthi wayeshaya isibhobo sasikhulekela wasathula sasithi asihlole ukuthi yini engaba semzimbeni enyameni sathi sesiyahamba ke siyana esibhedlela ungenile ke esibhedlela that last Monday ayilo wathi mayefika khona ke abodokotela bamchecka bamcwaninga bachecka yonke into bamixa baze bamixa theater benza ioperation ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ukuthi kwenze njani base befika ke bethola ke information ukuthi mase bechecka into esifuna ke ukuyazi umphakathi sase abantu bonke ba South Africa abalaleli bokhozi ihlobo friends and family nabangani bonke bakuzwe ngathi sikusho bathola ukuthi ke une lung cancer okusho ukuthi ba discover lokho ke ukuthi uZanele une lung cancer now sithi ke thina ke njengabantu bakaNkuluNkulu siyamthemba uNkulunkulu lokhu okufikile ke abantwana bathuke kakhulu umndeni uthukile abazalwane abebeloku bekhona besikhulekela bekhuleka nathi abazalwane nabangani befamily nebakho uZanele bekhuleka kanye nathi besicinisa bonke bethukile wonke umuntu uthukile sithi ke sithi makunjena thina sazi ukuthi siphakamisela amehlo ethu ezintabeni la usizo lwethu luvela khona usizo lwethu luvela kuJehova owenzile izulu nomhlaba sithi ke asisho ke lokhu sikubeke bakuzwe abantu bonke sibonge nemikhuleko sibonge nesupport esitholile umthandazo from family imndeni abangani izihlobo naba
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back with the update ngodaba ke luka mama ke uZanele Mbokazi Khambule oNkambule. Izolo ke we posted I video sisho ukuthi ke she's fighting for her life esibhedlela and ke abantu abaningi baphatheka kabi kakhulu bamfisela ke ukululama okuphuthumayo. As ke I public figure namhlanje ifamily ka mama uZanele made an official statement ngenxa ke yabezindaba who keep on calling befuna ukwazi ukuthi ke iprogress yakhe ehamba kanjani. As you can hear guys on the video ubaba uNkambule ke her husband umemezele okhosini FM kuyivuka breakfast show ukuthi ke kutholakala ukuthi ke une lung cancer umdlavuza ke wamaphaphu nokuyikhona ke okubumenza ukuthi ke abe ne shortness of breath. She did went for a surgery which we hope isimo ke sizoba ke ngcono. Guys, kunonkulunkulu ke odale everything. Yeah, there is God who have created heaven and earth. Futhi ke ongahlulwa lutho. We put our trust to him as he have promised us ukuthi bonke abamethembayo they will never be put to shame. Abasoze ke bajabisa. So we continue to pray for her for speed recovery and the strength to the family. That bring us to the end of this video. Asiqhubekeni bazana sithandaza uNkulunkulu is very faithful and he is waiting for us ukuthi asibone ukuthi simethemba kangakanani. Bye.